Banana!
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Wait, ready, set, go.
Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, guys, we are going to show you how we do the Consuka. Consuka means that we are going to mix conditioner and suka.
We're going to mix conditioner and
Suka.
suka.
Yeah.
That's the suka.
Can you show me the suka? Show them the suka.
Suka. Here's
No.
the shampoo conditioner.
Yeah. So this is the conditioner, guys, that we will be using. It's cream silk.
Mom,
Green
we got only one conditioner.
conditioner.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kulit ng
We
kasama ko.
bought
my
this
God.
at the store.
Huh?
Only a lot.
We need 5, baby, so we can mix it. And can you show them the mixing bowl?
Mixing bowl is red and black.
Yep. And
Like in the TV.
okay. And we're gonna mix it, yeah?
Mm.
So you need to get a mixer. A spoon.
Spoon?
Yep.
Is that spoon in there? I'm gonna get one.
Just a little spoon lang, ah.
Yeah. Wait.
My God. Mukhang sasakit ang ulo ko sa vlog na to.
There's no spoon.
Oh, you can get the bigger spoon then. It's okay. Go.
But it's too ginormous.
It's ginormous? Oh my God. It's okay. We don't have ginormous spoon. We just have the normal spoon. Come on na. Faster. Your friends are waiting.
This spoon?
Yep.
Got it.
Oh, show
Wait.
your friends.
It's smaller, bigger.
Come here. Move over here. Oh, show your friends. Here's the mixer spoon. Okay.
This is bigger.
Okay.
This is bigger than that one.
Okay. Hold on. I'll get the scissor.
Scissor to cut this at the top.
Yes.
Over right here.
Yes.
So you can shampoo it over right here.
Yes.
Wait, you have to squeeze it, squeeze. So you can get it out, okay?
Okay. So guys, here's what we're going to do. We are going to use the cream silk and the suka.
Suka.
So this one, the effect of the consuka is what we call. It's gonna give us the silk and the silkiness and smoothness of our hair. It's perfect for my hair, guys, because it's super dry. Look, oh, napaka-dry
Mine too.
niya.
And it's super
Pinariband
dry.
ko to. Your hair is super
And
dry.
mine too.
You think you
And
need the
there's
consuka
germs on
too?
it.
No, the consuka, baby, is just for grown-ups, not for kids.
And
So you
it's
can't
super
use that
dry.
because it's going to destroy your hair, okay? I'm gonna send you upstairs.
Mama.
Oh, keep quiet then. Okay, so the benefits of this consuka, guys, is it's gonna give us the treatment for our dry hair to be silky smooth. This is very helpful for dry hair like this. Oh, look at my hair, guys. Napaka-dry niya talaga. Tingnan nyo, dami-daming split ends niya talaga, guys. So, perfect na perfect to. And, first time ko siyang itatry. Heard a lot of feedback about Consuka. I've seen a lot of videos and reviews about Consuka. And naiintriga talaga ako, guys. And gusto ko siyang subukan. So, this time around, itatry natin siya. So, ang gagawin natin is paghahaluin natin, maglalagay tayo ng 5 pirasong cream silk sa mixing bowl, and then paghahaluin natin siya. Tansya-tansya lang sa suka, guys. Kailangan hindi siya super lapot. Kailangan madulas. So, let's try! Try! Are you ready, Kobe? Okay. Diyos ko, may assistant akong makulit. Ayaw ko umakit sa taas. So, ito, tutulungan niya ako. Stop that.
Mama, my tongue is red and pink.
Yeah, your tongue is red and pink.
That's my favorite color.
Can
My
you
favorite
please
color
do
is
the
red.
honor, Kobe? Alright, so guys, ito na yung cream silk. Color green. Right there.
Wait, that's color green?
Yeah.
Now we need that.
So, lalagyan naman natin siya ngayon ng, what do you call this?
Down?
Yeah, this one.
I don't know.
We call this Consuka. This is conditioner and this is
Consuka.
suka.
Suka.
Say it, suka.
I open it.
Ayan, guys.
Consuka.
Suka. You open the suka. Oh, let's pour it together. So, lagay tayong konti. Oops! Hey, that's a lot, Kobe. Ayan, hold on. Ayan, nilagyan na po namin siya ng suka, guys. As you can see, may suka na siya. So, imimix lang natin ang imimix. Oh, go mix. Just careful lang, ha? Okay, so Kobe is mixing it, guys.
And we're gonna get it to mix it with our hands together.
No, that's okay. You're fine.
Wait.
You can see it. Ayan. So, guys, Kobe is mixing it. Ayan. So, guys, here's the mixture. Ayan. Na-mix na namin siya.
Now let's shake it.
No, don't shake it anymore. So, Mama is going to put it on my hair. I'm going to put it on my hair, okay? And we're gonna test later if it is going to work. So, I'm gonna do it using my bare hands. So, let's start. So, ayan guys, nalagyan ko na yung buong buhok ko ng Consuka. So, ibababad lang muna natin siya for 3 minutes. And then, babanlawan na natin siya. Ayan, i-massage natin.
Okay.
Para maganda ang kalalabasan ng ating experiment. Ito talaga first time ko siyang gagawin, guys. Matagal ko na siyang alam, kaya lang ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng time na gawin. So, tignan natin kung tama nga ba yung mga feedback nila tungkol dito. Mag-i-stay ito ngayon sa hair ko for 30 minutes. So, ano muna natin siya. Wala kasi akong clamps na gamit. Dapat naka-clamp to or nakaganyan, nakabalot para mag-stay siya sa buhok ko. Pero wala akong pambalot. So, hinahayaan ko lang muna siya mag-flow ng ganyan. Tapos, grabe guys. Ito, isi-share ko lang sa inyo. Nakita ko to sa group namin sa Supermum's PH. Wherein may mga mommies kami dun sa group na yun. Sobra nilang pinag-uusapan tong Consuka. And naiintriga na ako even before. Kaya lang wala lang akong time para i-vlog ito. So, ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng time. And feeling ko kailangan ko talaga siya. Para sa hair ko. Kasi since nung nagpa-reband ako, guys, look naman, tignan nyo naman yung ang dry-dry ng hair ko. Sa may dulo niya, parang puro split ends na lang. Parang split ends na tinubuan ng buhok to. So, ayan, perfect na perfect siya sa mga dry hair, yung mga rebonded na nagda-dry yung hair, yung frizzy hair, yan. Tapos, nakaka-straighten din siya. So, napaka-ganda talaga na itong hair hack na to and we'll see kung effective nga ba siya sa akin. So, Mag-wait muna tayo ng 30 minutes, guys. And babalikan ko kayo after 30 minutes. So, ayan guys, tapos na. Nabanlawan ko na siya. So, patutuyuin naman natin siya ngayon sa electric fan. And, titingnan na natin mamaya pag dry if ano ang effect niya sa atin. So, balikan ko ulit kayo mamaya guys, okay? Hi guys, we're back! So, eto na, napatuyuan ko na yung hair ko. Eto na yung result nung Consuka na ginawa natin for today's. Grabe guys, ang lambot. As in, sobrang lambot niya. Oh, ang sarap. Yeah, it's so lambot guys. Oh, ang sarap niyang hawakan. And, totoo nga guys, so nakaka-straighten siya ng hair. Before, itong dulo ng hair ko na to, parang ang frizzy-frizzy, tapos parang ang kapal-kapal. Tapos guys, look! Oh, ang ganda ng effect niya. Oh, tapos ang lambot-lambot niya, promise. Pag nahawakan niyo lang tong hair ko, grabe, sobrang lambot niya. Tapos, talagang sobrang nagbabouncy. Oh, nagkaroon ng bounciness yung hair ko. Grabe, effective! Highly recommended ang Consuka, guys. Try nyo.
Super bouncy.
Yes. You can try this at least once a week na magganito. Para ka na rin nag-treatment. Ang ginamit ko lang dito ay 7 pesos na cream silk and suka. Well, you can buy vinegar sa store na mga nakasashay lang. And then, 5 cream silk ang gamitin nyo. And, ayan. Diyos ko guys, feel ko talaga para ako nagpa-treatment today. Ang ganda niya. Oh. Ang lambot-lambot niya, guys. And ang ganda-ganda. Oh my gosh. Malamang gagawin ko na to palagi. Sa murang halaga lang, 7 pesos lang ang isang sachet ng cream silk. And yung suka, makakabili na kayo sachet ng suka worth 5 pesos. O, diba? Murang-murang mga besh yung pan-treatment. No need na magpasalon. Nandito lang sa kusina ang kailangan nyo. Suka lang and conditioner. Siya tinawag na suka kasi it's a combination of conditioner and suka, mga beshi. It's actually super bouncy. Look at that. Oh, what can you say about my hair, Kobe? Can you touch it and then tell me if it's soft? Yes. How about do like that? Is it soft? Yes. Wow. Experiment successful, guys.
Yeah, it's
you
soft.
gotta try it. Experiment successful.
It's soft.
Is it soft and bouncy?
It's soft and bouncy.
Wow. Thank you so much, Kobe, for that feedback. And thank you so much for helping me tonight, Kobe.
Crunchy too.
Crunchy?
Yeah.
Is it crunchy? I thought it's soft. Why are you saying it's crunchy?
Crunchy and soft make jello.
What?
Crunchy and soft make jello.
Jello, what's
When you
jello?
shout, you make it
Bye!
Bye.
Bye, guys. Bye.